Hey friends, one thing I know about the free version of Avast is that it is quite an irritating option amongst all free antivirus software products. I won't say that it is completely useless, but it keeps on sending pop-ups and all. While you can disable those pop-ups, a lot of people still don't like to keep it on their system. So what can you do to remove it? Obviously, you can search for Avast in the Windows search bar and then click on the downward pointing arrow, select uninstall and then uninstall it from the settings page. Okay, but even after uninstalling from here, it does not uninstall completely because the logs are stored on the system itself, and to uninstall it completely, a lot of other channels and websites are suggesting to delete the associated files, but I'll give you an easier solution. Simply search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup, click on OK, and then check all of the boxes here. Okay, and then click on OK and then click on delete file. So this will delete all the temporary files, it will delete the cache folder, it will delete everything that is associated with Avast, and then you won't face an issue. All you need to do is restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.